Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why olive oil is called liquid gold? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of olive oil and how it can transform your health. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know why this staple of the Mediterranean diet is a must-have for your kitchen. Olive oil isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. So let's get into it. Why should you start incorporating olive oil into your daily life? Benefit 1. Heart Health Hero. First up, olive oil is a heart health superstar. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats, which can lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies show that people who consume olive oil regularly have better cardiovascular health. And it's no coincidence that the Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest in the world. Benefit 2. Packed with antioxidants. Next, olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants, like vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds fight free radicals in your body, which can slow down aging and reduce inflammation. Think of it as your body's built-in defense system, getting a major upgrade. Benefit 3. Supports brain health. Did you know olive oil could be brain food? The healthy fats in olive oil support cognitive function and may even protect against Alzheimer's disease. So, if you want to keep your brain sharp, drizzle a little olive oil on your meals. Benefit 4. A friend to your skin. Olive oil isn't just for eating, it's amazing for your skin too. Its hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural moisturizer. Whether you use it in your diet or as a beauty treatment, olive oil can help your skin glow from the inside out. Benefit 5. Digestive health. Booster. Olive oil aids digestion and can help improve gut health. It stimulates the production of bile, making it easier for your body to break down fats and absorb nutrients. Plus, it's gentle on your stomach. How to use olive oil daily. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how to use olive oil. Drizzle it over salads, use it as a dip for bread, or add it to your favorite pasta dishes. Just make sure to choose extra virgin olive oil for maximum health benefits. It's the least processed and richest in nutrients. Before you go, here's your challenge. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your meals every day this week and see how you feel. Trust me, your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. And let me know in the comments, how do you like to use olive oil? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.